Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something exciting for you, especially if you're into the magnetic eyelash game. Well, I have the new brown magnetic eyeliner from Glamnetic and I actually really love it, and I'm so happy that they made a brown version because when I use the black I feel like it's a little bit too dark, especially with the band on the magnetic eyeliner. So I want to give it a try and let you guys see. And then also I have two other of the lashes that I did not have before, and I actually really like these ones. I think they're more in between a natural and like dramatic look. These are the lashes that I would say you could wear more of like an everyday look and not look like too dramatic. So the lashes that I will be swatching for you today are going to be, one is the Verified, the other is the Lucky Lash. And then something new that Glamnetic is doing is they're putting their anchors with their lashes. So that's actually really nice, so it can keep the inside from coming up. And I'll go ahead and show you guys how to use them as well, because the first time I used it, I definitely lost it and I learned my lesson. First, I'm going to show you the new brown magnetic eyeliner. Here's the case. They actually changed the way that their eyeliner comes, which I actually really enjoy this one better, because the last one that I have, the eyeliner gets all on this part, which gets all on your lashes, and it just like makes your lashes really funky because it dries really hard. Here's the bottle. It's a little bit different. Let me show you the other one. So that's compared to this one, which was just a round tube. When you take it out, some of the eyeliner gets all on the stick, if you can see it. And then that goes on your eyelashes. So that's why I really enjoyed this one a lot better. So I'm going to zoom in here and I will show you how it looks. And this I actually find for some reason easier to put on, maybe because it's not getting all over the eyelashes. It still a little bit gets on it, but I'm going to show you up close. You can see already that I can do such a small line, which I love. Another thing that I wanted to mention with the brown one is that it is like to be more liquidy. And maybe that's because it's a different formula. I'm not sure, but I know that they're getting ready to put them in the felt pens. I just wanted to show you a close-up of the liner. You can see how it is a little bit thin. So it's going to need, at least I put on 2 coats for it, but you can see how nice I can get the line. And then I just give it actually like a couple minutes to dry. I found that when it is completely dry, that is when the lashes stick the best. So while we are also waiting for the liner to dry, I just want to say in my Glamnetic versus Moxie Lash video, I did say that Moxie Lash was pretty much like the winner of that video, but really I just wanted to let you guys know that I love Glamnetic. I think the girl who owns the company is working so freaking hard, and she's always coming out with new styles, which is very awesome because you can actually find a style that you really like, and once you find that style, you can look at like the links and then find other links that might be similar to that style. And the reason why I actually chose Moxie Lash in that video was because I do still believe that the magnetic eyeliner is stronger, but I actually like the Glamnetic products better. They just suit me better. I think that they have a lot more options, and I found my most favorite lashes on there. So thank you, Glamnetic. I really freaking love it, and I love this new brown magnetic eyeliner, and I really cannot wait until the birthday collection comes out on 8/27/20 and they have the new magnetic eyeliner pens. And just want to let you guys know, this is not a sponsored video by Glamnetic. I just like their products. All right, let's put the lashes on. Okay, so first we are going to start off with Lucky. Lucky to be lucky, you get to go at number 1. I have been actually using the little tweezers here. I just find it a lot easier, and I usually line the inside lash where I want it to be first, and then I put the rest of it on. Do the Lucky Lash. just making sure all of the magnets are sticking. This one I actually think is a little bit too long. I need to cut one magnet off of it. Next, what we are going to try is the verified lash. So this is now actually my favorite lash of the whole Glamnetic game. I just love it. It is so gorgeous. Okay, so let's get these off. They're very easy to pull off. And also with the verified lash, the band here is literally the perfect length for my eyes. Wow, these really are my favorite. I just love them, and they fit my lash line like perfectly. The band is perfect, and I noticed because the lash is a little bit shorter, the band is, that the magnetics are a little bit, the magnets are closer together. So I think that also actually gives it a little bit of a stronger hold. They're just so beautiful. I love them. Now I'm going to show you how to put on the anchors, because they can be pretty difficult, but I learned that if you do use a tweezer like this, then it's a little bit easier. What you do is grasp the top of the hairs like so, and I have it bent inward. So what I will do is go to the lash and do this kind of motion. And voila. And I'm going to do it for the other side. And then you can also do it on the outside edges if those are popping up as well. Okay, again, I'm just going to use this motion like this underneath the eye. And I'm going to show you it up close. So the only way to really see them is if you're looking very close to the lash, but you probably can't even see them in this. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that if you're thinking about getting the brown magnetic eyeliner, you go ahead and do so, because it is gorgeous and it is not as dark as the black magnetic eyeliner, so I really love that. And also I just really love these two new lashes that I got today. I think that they are ones that I can wear for more everyday looks. Anyhow, if you guys liked my video today and you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.